As your property managers, we handle the entire rental process by properly pricing your rental to eliminate the potential of unnecessary vacancy, showcasing your rental and its best features on countless websites, and screening any and all prospects to find the highest qualified tenant for your property. Our extensive screening process includes a full nationwide criminal background check, including registered sex offenders, a full credit check including score and credit history, employment verification to confirm time in their current position, and pay stubs to establish the applicant makes adequate income to ensure full and on-time payments. We also interview previous landlords to confirm the applicant has considerable rental history, which gives us an idea of what kind of tenant they will be for your property. Part of our professional services includes providing a full report to notate your property's condition at every tenant's move-in. We use this as a baseline comparison throughout the tenancy. Moving forward, our walkthrough specialist performs periodic walkthroughs to verify that your tenants are meeting our high standards and to identify any deferred maintenance that may require attention. We provide our owners a detailed report of each inspection, which includes pictures of the entire property so that you can see your property's condition and any maintenance items needing repair. Our walkthrough specialist also identifies any possible preventative maintenance to protect your home from future issues that may arise. When it comes time for your tenant to move out, we will then perform a move-out walkthrough, which is compared to the initial move-in report in order to assess any potential claims on your tenant's deposit. We offer professionally run bookkeeping with online statements available to our owners 24/7 on our user-friendly website, as well as direct deposit of rental income to your bank account each month. All of this is offered to our clients at a single rate, without being nickel and dime to death, with hidden fees, unlike many of our competitors who charge yearly account maintenance fees, lease renewal fees, and posting fees. Our number one goal at the Elliott Eijo Group is to make the rental process as stress-free as possible and give our owners peace of mind that you have someone in your corner ensuring that you receive your rent on time and that your property is being well cared for. We look forward to discussing your property management needs, so give us a call at 863-333-5161.